Assalamu alaikum guys. Today in this video I will show you how to install a WordPress on a cPanel dashboard. So first of all, you should definitely log in your cPanel dashboard. I have used HostGator, so I am already logged in. Uh, Once you logged in, you have to scroll down. At the bottom you will see a section of scripts. Here you can see a script section. Once Here you can see a script section. In the script section you will see a WordPress, so click on the WordPress button. It will redirect to the another page where you can install the WordPress. So here is the page. I'm installed now. Then after that you should definitely select the protocols. So here is the protocol. If you have SSL already installed your domain, if you have already installed SSL with the domain, then you should definitely click HTTPS. After that you will select the domain where you want to install the WordPress. I am using a backend. So once you click that, after that you will uh, add your admin and password. So admin username and the password. So I am using admin and admin. So here is my username and the password, and then click to install button. I think it's 2 to 3 minutes will take to install a WordPress. Once it was successfully installed, I will show you how it's look after the installation. So I think it's 100% creating a database and installing our WordPress. So we will meet after a while. So here is successfully WordPress installed. Uh, I will show you how it's look. So here is the brand new WordPress that I have installed in the away. So if you really enjoy my video, please subscribe and like button. Thank you.